Brussels sprouts, people love them or hate them. I think they're the most polarizing vegetable out there. But today I'm hopefully going to convert everyone that's not so sure into a lover of Brussels sprouts. We're going to add pancetta and make it all crispy and caramelize the Brussels sprouts down, and we're going to add fresh grapes that are going to saute with it. So let's get cooking. The key ingredient is a beautiful Brussels sprout, and I've just halved those. We're going to be pan frying them with some shallots, some pancetta, some chili flakes, and the wonderful New Zealand pinole pine nuts. We're going to make a dressing, and we're going to be using seedless grapes. We're going to be using the capers with their brine, some Dijon mustard, olive oil, garlic, chopped Italian parsley. And when it's all finished, we're just going to grate some fresh Parmigiano over it. The warm grapes, the pancetta and the pine nuts make a wonderful match for the Brussels sprouts and make a perfect winter side. I hope you love them as much as I do. Happy eating from Faro.